It's Tuesday afternoon, Mach 2018. I'm with Tom Lane and we're going to get an update on the show so far. Tom, how's it been today for you?
It's been a busy day, but it's been a really productive day. Got to say, it's been fantastic. We started off with BBC Breakfast here this morning. We had Steph McGovern doing a live broadcast from the show, which is absolutely fantastic, because what we want to do is show UK manufacturing in the best possible light. The show speaks for itself, but we need the national media to really take an interest. You guys obviously do a great job, as do the rest of the trade media, but we need the national media to take an interest in us to really advance our sector and actually show how vital we are to the economy and what we do for British jobs.
Well, we are bigger than the BBC, so we should do equally as good a job. And tell about, what about the visitor experience so far today? You must be getting some feedback on that.
Oh yeah, we're getting really positive feedback from the halls. Walking around, you are seeing packed aisleways, you're seeing people engaged on the stands. I've spoken to a few companies today and they're saying the buyers are coming and they're asking the right questions. People are ready to spend money, they're ready to invest in new capital equipment, they're ready to invest in new processes, and this is what this show is all about. We have spent a long time to create a fertile environment for our exhibitors and our members at the MTA to do business, and I think walking around the show, you guys can probably speak for yourselves, it's testament to that.
We were on the DMG Mori stand today filming live, and yeah, it was very busy, but the whole layout of the show is much better, isn't it? The user experience, navigating your way around is far simpler. Are you getting that feedback as well?
Yeah, totally. We've been saying it for 2 years. We need to move with the technology, and the show is reflecting that. But now it's actually open, and you've got a visual, and you're experiencing it for yourself. You can see it's reflecting the industry in the right way. Halls 4 and 5 are traditionally where Mach is at, but I think this has broken it up, and it's enabled the visitors to spread out for more people to get around and see what is going on. Everyone's not just congregating in one certain area. There's not being clumps of people and making it difficult to get around. The more entrances into the halls are evenly distributing the visitors throughout, and there's so much to see that people are engaged from the start, and myself, it's difficult to drag yourself away once you've got in there.
Yeah, well, and what did Steph feel about when you spoke to her on the BBC this morning? What did she see here that she maybe wasn't expecting?
I just think it tapped into something that she's genuinely interested in. Steph is a great advocate for UK manufacturing and engineering due to her own background, being at Black and Decker and everything like that. That's given her credibility to actually come in the industry and speak with authority about what is happening here in the UK. I think they were really pleased the fact the showcase you've got here, you can see that people are coming to invest in new equipment, which obviously means people are making stuff and people are buying things, and that is the main thing.
Yeah, it's very, very important. Tom, just to wrap this up, for the rest of the week, we've got 3 days left of the show. People that haven't been yet, that are thinking about coming, why should they visit?
Why should they visit? Why wouldn't you visit? Mach is the place to be if you are interested in advanced engineering. Even if you're not interested in this industry touches everything you interact with in your day-to-day lives. Nothing you would be here without all of the manufacturing technology you've got on show. So why don't you come and learn about what has built the world around you, because Mach is a great showcase of that.
Great way to finish. There's loads of technology, and like you say, whatever age, young or new, you can learn, young or old, you can learn something here, can't you? So there we have it, a great update, Tom, and we'll be back tomorrow, either with yourself, Tom, or James.